Hi, thank you for spending a few minutes with me. My name is Barbara D. I'm with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm here to show you a Coachmen Apex Ultralight. So many times we have folks come in and they have some limitations on what they can tow. And this particular vehicle only weighs 4,300 pounds. So you can tow it with just about anything. It's got a great interior, great design. You've got some LED lighting here. It's got a nice cap that deflects all of the wind off of you, so it's an easy tow. Some diamond plate to protect it from some rocks. A nice electric 3,000 pound tongue jack. So this operates on your battery and it helps you get on and off the ball, provides you a light. A lot of times, you know what, when you're going camping in the morning, and when you're coming home, it's dusk. So that light comes in handy. You can increase the size of these tanks, but you do have an automatic switchover, so you don't ever run out of propane. One of the things that's featured here is they have, this is solar ready, so you can do a plug and play solar kit. Don't have to put it on the roof. It's got this fantastic pass-through storage. Storage is so important to the RVer. It's just really something that people talk about quite a bit. And this also has a light, so it's a lit up storage compartment for you. And look at this, a nice slam latch, and that's a magnet, so the little plastic tabs won't even break off. You've got a very nice awning here, a grab handle. This is a 215 RBK, so it is a rear bath with a kitchen. And that being said, let's take a look at it. Dual axles, great big awning, outside speakers. I'm going to have a peek right here. Frameless windows, so you never have to service these. They're nice and dark, so they protect your interior. Super easy to take care of. And with any luck, I'm going to have this is going to open up for me. Is it? Yeah, well, by golly it is. So this is the outside kitchen. I don't think I'm going to get it completely open, but this is so handy to have. You've got an extra refrigerator here. You've got a cabinet for your items, a sink that drains into your sewage system, some drawers, a pull-out barbecue, just everything that you need to have a nice little setup outside. And you've got some protection from the weather too, because this is high enough that it's going to give you a canvas cover. This just slides out handy dandy and you're ready to go. So I'm going to close this down and have you follow me around just for a minute. You've got an outside washing station. This is the outside hot and cold running water, a spare tire. As you can see, this is super nice. I mean, it's just a lot of rig in a little bit. And what you see up here at the top of the RV, this is for a backup camera. So you can put it on, if you have a monitor inside your tow vehicle, you'll be able to see where you're backing up just on your monitor there. You come around here, it's dual axle. All of your services are in one place. It's got a holding tank flushing system that makes it convenient for you. A nice slide. This is a Schwintek mechanism. Lots of sealant in here. You've got this sealant and this gasket and a gasket behind it. Very nice. Coachmen's been building for 63 years. They are now a Forest River company, but they have been doing this for quite some time and they're very good at it. And think about this, 4,300 pounds. Most RVs weigh considerably more than that. So we'll open this up and take a quick peek on the inside. Again, I want to stress the fact that how nice it is to have this grab handle. You come right up on in here. So isn't this neat? You've got this really nice bed. You've got wardrobe closets that are deep on each side. Nice cabinets up here that are wide open. They're solid wood. This bed, now you can see out, you can let a little bit of the sunshine in, and if you don't want that, you can pull your shade down. But even when you're outside, you can't see in here. When we were outside before, it's just real dark. So you can see out, but they can't see in, which is nice for you, a little bit of privacy. And the way that they have this set up is this. Oh, do I have that? Oh, there it is. So this is kind of a nifty thing, and I'm seeing more and more of this all the time. This TV comes with the unit. You've got a Jensen sound system, DVD, Zone A, Zone B, charging station, the whole Marianne right there. And isn't it nice that if you want to lie in bed and watch the morning news, you can, or put the kids down and take a quick nap? I always think that that's just been a super neat idea for the RV manufacturers. So remember when we were talking outside, I had mentioned to you 21 feet. So overall, this is going to be under 25 feet at 4,300 pounds. Super, super light, very wide, very well insulated. This is a horseshoe dinette. The table is down here, but this can demonstrate what a nice big bed this would make for anyone, a sister or kids or grandkids to come along with you. You've got storage under here as well, all the way back, including back in here, and a nice kitchen. You get this great big kitchen here, this awesome spray. I mean, this is a pretty nice setup. Look how deep the sink is. So you certainly won't have to be going anyplace else to try and get things washed up. It's just a solid surface countertops. They're never going to come apart on you. And again, just the standard things like you've got the range top. It's got a little window here, so you've got an oven, a nice range top, and the microwave, plus a really nice large refrigerator. That makes it just, you know, it's so convenient that they've got all the big components in this 21-foot trailer. And 21 feet is really, really handy if you're going to go out and do the county and the state and the federal parks. No one's going to tell you, oh, you're too long. And then the bonus round is you get this fabulous bathroom. So you've got a really nice bathroom with all this storage up here. And I want to tell you what, they got some storage up here. I'll let my cameraman come on in here and show you that. I'll tell you what, if your grandkid was small enough, there's an extra bedroom. And a nice shower. Seeing is believing, you guys. You need to come on out here and take a look at the RV. It's sit down on the sofa or lie down on the bed and feel it. It's a lot about the feel. My name is Barbara. My telephone number is 541-521-4232. I'd love to discuss the other features and benefits that go with this and have an opportunity to help you. So come on out and see me. Thanks so much for looking at this video today.